Hi, my name is Stephanie Taylor, and today we are going to use our line command using the polar coordinate system. That is typing your distance and using angles to align your line. Okay, we'll go up to our line command. We'll select it, specify our first point, then we want it to be at an angle of 45 degrees, so we say at 10 centimeters, so we say at shift at 10, shift and your less than sign, and then type in 45 and then you press enter. Okay, so that gives us, and then you press escape to escape the command. Our second step is to draw our square, okay, using the line command. So go up, click the line command again, specify a point on the screen. So I want it to be at 90 degrees, so we'll type we'll select shift at 20 is our distance. My angle will be shift less than sign 90 and then enter. Okay, we'll do the same for the other sides. So this one will be at 20 less than 0 and then enter. Also for our next one will be need to be a 20. I will type at 20 shift 270 enter. We'll do the same for this side, so we'll say at 20 angle 180 enter. Okay, our third step now is to draw our triangle using the polar coordinate command for line command. So we go line, specify our first point anywhere on the screen, so go and select start now. So we'll say an equilateral triangle, so that would be 60 degrees angles in the middle. So we'll start by specifying our distance at 30 centimeters, angle 60. Okay, align, at 30 angle 0, at 30 angle 120 and escape. So here we have our square, triangle and line command all drawn in polar coordinate line command. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, watch my AutoCAD tutorial clips on beginners tutorial to learn more, and